Hi everyone. Welcome back to a new video of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Steam gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to redeem your Steam gift card. Firstly, open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Store. Steam Powered. Come and make a search. You will end up on the official page of Steam's account. Make sure that you're logged into your Steam account. Now, simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. From the displayed options, click on Account Details. On the next page, under Store and Purchase History, tap on Add Funds to your Steam Wallet option. Tap on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code option. You'll arrive on the redemption page of Steam. Enter your Steam Wallet gift code in the box and tap on Continue. This is how you can redeem your Steam Wallet gift code quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.